In this video I want to show you how to add music to Instagram story. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone, then go to the profile tab, and here click on the profile page, profile photos, and here we can add to story. For example, this picture, and then click on the sticker icon. This is the third icon here, and here find the music sticker. Just click on it, and here we can see some music, and we can find here using the search bar on the top of the screen. You can here enter some name of music, or you can select from list. And that's all for today. Here we can add some music to our Instagram story. Goodbye.